Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a super easy and delicious atole de nuez. So if you're ready, let's get started. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they will be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alrighty guys, so first we're going to begin by making our pecan mixture. For that, we're going to begin by crushing 1 cup of pecans. So we're just going to completely crush them. Okay, so once we have that, we're going to be adding 5 tablespoons of cornstarch. I'm using this atole flavored, but you can always just use a plain cornstarch. Just make sure that it's 5 tablespoons. So we're going to add it to our blender, along with half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 3 cups of milk, and 1 teaspoon of Mexican vanilla blend. And now we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, so once mixed, we can make our delicious atole. Okay, to our small saucepan, we're going to add 1 cup of water, 1 piloncillo. If you don't want your atole to be too sweet, use half of it, and 1 cinnamon stick. We're going to set it on medium-high heat and allow the piloncillo to dissolve. Okay, so once the piloncillo has dissolved, we're going to remove the cinnamon stick. To that, we're going to add our pecan mixture. Make sure that you're mixing it as you're pouring, along with 4 cups of milk. If you want it more thick, add 3 cups. But for me, 4 cups is just perfect. So we're just going to be mixing it until it begins to bubble on the edges. Alrighty guys, so once our atole begins to bubble, that means that it is done. So at this point, we're going to turn it off, and keep in mind, don't stop mixing it, okay? While you're waiting for the bubbles to come up, don't stop mixing it, because otherwise the milk will get stuck to the bottom of your pot. And this is the consistency that I like it. Of course, if you want it thicker, then just keep allowing it to continue cooking. But for me, this is perfect. So just like that, we can get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part. We are so ready. Grab your tamales, your conchas, your bolillo, your favorite cookies, or just like that, enjoy it. It's seriously perfect. And of course, like I said, if you want it thicker, then you can do that. If you want it thinner, and then you can do that too. And if you don't want the pecans, to be like in the mix, you want it to be fully dissolved, then just blend it longer with the milk. But for me, this is honestly the best. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. And it's hot. What?
It's hot.
It's honestly the best. It's so delicious, so creamy. The pecans, it's perfect, so smooth. Is it too sweet? It's not too sweet. It's enjoyable. It's perfect. So good. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious atole de nuez. I hope you guys had enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Share with your friends and family, and if you like this recipe, please don't forget to tag me on any of my social medias. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.